Всем привет, ребята! С вами Кирилл, и сегодня мы будем ловить скамеров. Это будет рубрика, я буду снимать много, может и не буду снимать. Так что, мне нравится, в принципе, делать эту рубрику, вот так нравится вот этих скамеров ловить. Но я ненавижу скамеров, потому что они просто уже наглеют. Реально. Обманывают человека на какой-то крутой предмет. Does anyone want to trade for this? Hey, you want to trade? You want to trade for this? I'll trade. What? For what?
That's a lot.
This is a little bit rare.
From above you! Bro, hello!
I'll give you this backpack.
It shoots as well!
Bro, are you serious? This is not even rare.
Okay.
I can just buy it. What?
Doing that.
Get rare items for this. It's so rare.
Guys, I got a new motorcycle.
Motorcycle? Oh, looks like so cool.
No. Oh my god, I got a motorcycle!
Bro, this is almost flying cycle.
Just a metal ball.
Yeah, it is my flying.
No, don't say hello.
Okay,
Hey, you showing?
I can't do it.
You showing the item?
Hey, Blue, do you want
Everybody
this? You can
on
fly.
the SWAT team head to Forest. Okay?
Does anyone want to trade
Everybody on
for
the
this?
SWAT team, we're heading to
Does
Forest.
anyone want to trade this?
Put it on your back.
Hey, you want? Hey, guy.
Oh yeah.
Hey, guy. Do you want to trade? But not for your motorcycle.
Shut up! Whoa! Shut up!
I know.
Where's the Forest at?
Where's the
Everybody
Forest
get
at?
the Forest. We're doing the SWAT team role play.
Where did my sword go? Hey, are you on the SWAT team?
No.
Do you want to trade?
Why?
Sure.
I'm not gonna
I have
hurt
nothing.
you. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Okay.
Who wants to go in first? Black, wanna go in first?
I'm Franny. I'm talking
I do not care.
people on animal company.
Hey, everybody, I'm giving away free loot.
What is this?
Yo, can I have that thing? Can I have
That's
that
free
sword?
loot.
Can I please? Bro, are you a little kid or something?
No, I'm 9 years old. Are you still
I'm 6.
Guys, I'm being generous. Who wants this motorcycle for free? I'm being generous. Who wants this motorcycle for free?
Can I get this, please?
Take that for free. I don't really care. Keep it. Oh my god.
Bro, light blue.
I see what rough not. I see what
But,
not me.
when? Come with me.
Okay.
Who wants to fight with me? Who wants to fight?
That's mine.
Fly you
Here. Oh my god.
Wait,
I'm moving with the VHS tape.
Guys, I have a motorcycle!
I just give that to you. Oh, I don't know why. I just found it. I don't know why.
Where's my friend?
I don't know why there's a
He's in mine.
It's just there.
Guys, I'm flying!
We know.
This is a crazy invention.
Yo, why is there so much food?
Guys, does anyone... 1 second, guys. Does anyone want to trade? Hey, you want to trade? You want to trade? You want to trade? You want to trade? Hey, man, you want to trade? Man, you want to trade? Man, you want to trade?
I want to. Bro.
Короче, ребят,
We could have killed it. Come on, let's go back. We couldn't. We really couldn't. No.
Они просто не хотят
I
трейд
have
или
stuff in my
игнорить. Так что
backpack.
Джоним на другой код. Guys, does anyone want to trade? Does anyone want
Alright,
to
can
trade?
someone give me 2 hammers? All I need is 2 hammers. Can someone give me 2 hammers?
I have the most OPS thing in the world. Oh my god.
I'm gonna buy hand. Hey, give me that hand. It's mine.
Whoa! Whoa!
You were red watch?
I'm trading them, dude.
A snipe,
I
someone,
wanna
right?
trade, I wanna trade, I wanna trade, I wanna trade, I
Oh,
wanna
good.
trade.
I'm sorry that I killed
Who
you.
wants
I'm
to trade?
sorry.
Go to the friends thing.
No, it's fine. Don't worry.
I wanna
Do you
trade,
wanna help
I
me? Do you
wanna
wanna help
trade,
me?
I wanna
I'll give you
trade.
my
You wanna
sniper.
trade?
Yeah. It one shot.
Who wants to trade
I think I
bills?
sniped
No,
you.
I don't
I was the one
Yeah, I
sniping.
want
I was the one
hammers.
sniping.
Who wants to trade builds? Who wants to trade builds? Who wants to trade builds?
Me. Hey guys, look. I've got
Someone
one
give me
shot.
hammers.
You got pineapple.
Why
I'll
your
snipe it,
nickname?
look.
Two
Let me
hammers?
snipe
One
someone.
to
One second,
hammer.
I'm
That
at
works.
you, I'm at you.
Can you go
Add
outside?
me.
Who wants a hammer?
Yeah,
Okay,
add me,
join me.
okay, join, okay, I'm joined too.
It is PvP.
It is PvP,
wait,
bro.
It is PvP.
It is. Yeah, it
Oh,
is
okay.
PvP.
Так, ребят, сейчас можем поймать
Who
одного
did that?
сканера.
That wasn't me, by the way.
I'll shoot this guy instead. Oh,
Ну, ребят, ну сейчас перезайти в игру, потому что у меня какой-то баг случился. Сейчас мы можем, ребят, поймаем одного скамера. Короче, я всегда буду замечать, смотреть просто маленькие вот эти хортганы их. Буду смотреть на них буду. Короче, поймаем скамеров.
Yo. I can buy a stick, guys.
Oh. Man. Man. Man.
oh yeah. I forgot you added me. Come.
Bro, join another call. There's people.
Yeah, my bad.
Okay, join the call. My bad. Private talk.
Okay, I'm coming.
Hey, wait a second. I'm here. Man, why you want trade? Why you want trade for?
I've got admin brooms.
Not admin room. Can you give another thing, please?
I've got a full bag of goop and gold revolver. Look.
I get this.
Did. Wait, hold
This
it
is
still.
rare.
Hold on. Let me. That is not right. Though.
This is rare.
Alright, fine. Wait. Let me just get ammo so you don't need to waste your money. Alright. Wait, so what are we doing? My revolver for your Labubu?
But we trying to save zone.
Okay, ready?
1 second. 3, 2, 1. What?
Wait, no, because... Bro, get close because, bro, you can literally... Because
No,
there's this,
no.
like, ray gun.
No,
There's
I
this
always...
ray gun hack.
Wait, I don't have a ray gun. I don't have it, and you can see I don't have...
It doesn't matter, there's it.
Look,
Yeah,
look,
but
I
there's
don't
still like this... There's still this hack thing where if they click this button, it's gonna just, like, auto-teleport to them.
I'm not
And I've
lagging.
been
I'm
scammed
just
like
I'm
that.
just a man who trying to trading. This
Ready? 3,
Labu. 2, 1.
2, 1. Thank you.
Bro, scammer gets scam. Bro, scammer. Everybody.
Scammer gets scammed.
Bro, everybody, look at his nickname. He scammed me. His nickname. Look at his nickname. He's scammer. He just left. Ребят, короче, он меня заскамил. Но... Короче, это первый скамер. Ну, мне как бы все равно, потому что... Мне вообще не важно, что он заскамил меня. Потому что... Если он положит эту лабубу, то есть в инвентарь, то все. То она может пропасть. Прикиньте, ребятки, то есть такая, типа, она может пропасть. И она... Он мне еще из друзей крыса удалил. Ну, короче, ребята, мы не поймали, конечно, с камеры, но он меня, к сожалению, заскамил. Ну, мне как бы не жалко, потому что в этом прикол? Ну, окей, заскамила меня, и что в этом такого? Ладно, давайте еще будем искать людей для трейда. Только, пожалуйста, просто не с камеры. Guys, does anyone wanna trade? Does anyone wanna trade?
I wanna trade.
I'll do a
I wanna trade.
For this.
Yeah.
I do.
Let me see.
What you have?
Join the code.
I'm kind of new to the game.
SW.
But I think this is rare.
W. Just gonna wait.
You wanna trade?
Oh yeah.
The
Join.
code
Add me. Where's your nickname?
Is it good? Is it good?
Yeah. He's good. Сейчас мы будем чекать с камеры.
Yo, guys, you
What's
guys
your
gotta
nickname?
do a.
This is rare.
Hello,
Yeah, add
you're
me.
gonna teleport me. Where?
What's rarer? What's rarer?
Guys, we're gonna do a war.
Just join to me and the friends. Okay?
Okay.
We're gonna do a war.
Один челик, вот эта крыса, просто меня тупо удалила из друзей еще. Ну, просто тупо... Чел, ты не знаешь, что она может с каким-то шансом удалиться просто? Ладно, я шучу, она не удаляется в инвентаре. Но. Она такого... То есть, ее... Челиком, чего не джойнится ко мне вообще? Надо к нему заджойниться. Это Бенджамин 3000 какой-то. Джулиан Джи Бенджамин. Room is full. Он гений, не джойнится даже ко мне. Ладно. Ну, странно, он какой-то человек, конечно. Я ему сказал джойниться, он не джойнится. Бро. Боже, он вообще забыл, что ли, про трейды? Хотя не хочет со мной трейд. А что? Подожди-ка. Не знаю, я его не удалю из друзей, может, он потом захочет. Ладно, давайте просто на рандомный код сойдем. А то, что этот гений не хочет трейдиться. Somebody wanna trade?
Give it back! Give it back! Give it back, please!
Yours is $3. You're broke.
Please, bro! Please, Banana, give it back! Banana, can you give it back?
Yo, the giveaway.
No!
How do you do that?
Who's wanna join my server?
You don't see? I must be
Who's wanna
blind.
join my server? I have something good.
Короче, я что сказал? Giveaway one. Он просто, ну короче, чё просто, наверное. Oh, does anyone want to trade here? Guys, does anyone want to trade?
Why you guys?
Так, понятно. Эти гении там какой-то фигнёй маются. Guys, does anyone want to trade?
Yo, I thought you were gonna show. I thought we were trading.
Here, I can make you fly. I can make you float for a couple seconds.
You're infinitely flying.
Here, let me.
Oh, thank you. Can I have it?
Anyone have food?
So I can scan.
Where even?
Че, первый челик, он меня заскамил? Это же очень, ребят. Ой. Он, я не знаю, либо он просто меня обманул, либо, не знаю, я его удаляю с друзей, если честно.
No, we're joined. I just made a safe.
We join.
Leave the server! Shush.
Там лаги жесткие были. Guys, does anyone
You literally shot the RPG, bro.
Does anyone
How
want
do
to
you
trade?
make small items? How do you make small items?
Hey, that's mine.
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay.
Bro, how do you make small items?
I don't know.
People just gave it to you, and that's how you got it. I know
No,
how to make small
I got
items.
it. I'm
Everybody own
duplicating
a
in
whole
duplicate
can that, like,
machine. I'm
flies?
duplicating in duplicate machine.
Wait, do it.
Dude.
there.
Oh,
Dude,
come on, does anyone want
dude,
to trade,
why is
guys?
this backpack
Wait,
so
wait.
huge? I didn't even ask for this.
Не знаю, но этого чела либо мозгов нету, либо я не знаю что. Либо он, я не знаю, либо он... Bro,
But I'm a galaxy.
bro,
look,
you want
look
trade?
at
You want trade, bro? Oh.
Oh my
Help,
god!
Julian. Help, Julian. I'm a pug now.
Wait,
Help.
are you my brother? Like the polar bear?
No, Mr. Clappings.
What the fuck?
Hey,
Wait,
man.
why does the face look like that?
I changed my.
Man, we want to trade. For this.
Well, I'm gonna be getting the second iteration of my pistol done.
Join the code.
You let my inmate code.
Join the code. Join to me. Join to me. Join to me. Hey, bro, join to
Bro,
me.
if you wanna have a, if you wanna have a chubby stale patty, join the code stale. I'm giving away. If you
Join
wanna have
to
a
me,
chubby
bro.
stale patty, join the code stale.
Bro, really? I'm just unfriend you. I'm just unfriend you.
Here we go.
Просто он меня обманул. Ну, понятно. Somebody want trade, guys? Does anybody want
Green.
trade?
Green.
Somebody
Trade.
Anyone play
Trade.
skulking?
Trade. Oh,
Hey, blue.
sword.
Blue.
How do you get a
Blue with the shield. Call in 4K.
Kind of 4K. No.
Hard 4K? No way.
Короче, я не понимаю, просто трейдиться невозможно. Bro, does anyone want to trade for mine? Does anyone want to trade?
Hell no, bro. That's too little. Like your brain.
That means 0.
Pow.
Where do you get the guns?
I don't know how they got me.
Right here. They're free.
Don't waste all
Video oil.
Yo,
What the heck is
trying to kill
that?
me.
Wait, hon.
You bitch asses!
Afen, is this how you equip the CO?
Yo, blue. Somebody tried to kill me, yo.
Yo, I got the money. I got the
И сегодня
money.
мы еще будем просто...
Red watch.
Yo, chill, bro, chill.
И сейчас я вот так покажу, как попасть в ад. И вот мы в аду.
I swear I didn't do everything. How did I got a red watch? I didn't kill anyone.
Где выход?
And that's how you get away from once you kill somebody.
А где она? А где выход?
No, it isn't. It's easy. I saw some in down. Bro, that was not
Я
me.
умер.
It was a bomb.
I'll shoot your freaking Labubu.
Why you killing? Why you killing?
Where was the last bomb? And I saw you with the grenade on.
Дайте зайдем на маты сервера. ГГДХ. Никто? И давайте PC 3. Ну, вроде как. Код BBC 123. Тоже ничего нету. Просто врани.
Yo, Timmy, break it. I can't see you.
Посмотри, как мы с ним выглядит с Кицуня. Ну, Артик Фукса. А, получается...
Hey, look at you, look at you. Do you like my truck and do you like the billion? It looks like a desktop.
Не, ну слушай, так я как-то, мне кажется, даже лучше выгляжу. Дайте.
Yo, May 3rd, 2024, bro.
Look up.
Не, ну, мне кажется, даже как-то
Hey,
лучше я так
you're
выгляжу.
his puppet. You're his puppet.
Я тут больше горел просто, я лучше буду горела, потому что ну тут реально горела быть.
We gotta do the video and get hacked for the video because we're gonna do something.
Not doing that.
Come on, Stu. Yeah.
On the couch for a talent show. The winner gets the elephant button.
You guys know the gabagoo. You guys know all the gabagoo.
All I need
You guys know where the
is
gabagoo is.
this. Banana back.
Yeah.
Wow. Big beans.
La gumpo.
You want to do Squid Game?
Dame de la gumpo. La...
On. One last thing, light.
Anybody want to
Any type of light.
Does anyone, does
Close
anybody
it.
want to trade?
Like a flashlight. I'll pick close.
Does anybody want to trade for my Labubu? Hey, you want to trade for Labubu? Labubu.
Does anybody want to do Squid
Sure, why not? Well, I want that boo-boos.
Okay. Somebody want to trade? Does anybody want to trade? Bro,
Yeah. I want a little baby.
this is trade. Nah, free gift. Okay, who said this? Who said that one trade?
Me.
Okay, well you can give me.
Is that the right?
Hello,
Is that the right
go to
global
the
point?
caves
Is
where
that the right
Well
global
you
point?
can give me.
I need a flashlight on the second level.
All I need is a camera.
Bro, why you can give me?
Hello?
Bro, you're scamming me or what?
Here, they gave me a large backpack.
Who wants trade for Labubu?
Can I get large backpacks, please? Dude, what color is that? What color is that?
Pengy, I'm gonna friend you and then you join the code.
What color is that? Okay. What?
Bro, this is yellow.
Even fetch
Why
it.
you on the ground?
Even fetch at 14.
I need to put that.
I can't find you, so I'm gonna
bro.
let you join.
Bro, it's glitching. It's glitched.
Okay. Let me
It's
add you.
glitched.
Let me add you.
Bro, I know.
Is that
Bro, I can just forward. I can just forward there. It's not cool. It's not even a cool back.
Look like I can't find you.
Not cool.
Does anybody want to trade?
Follow my finger.
Does anybody want to trade? Why? Or why?
Can anybody give me large backpacks? Do you have large backpacks or what? What? Why do you keep coming over to me? You wanna fight me? You wanna fight?
What What is okay? Join to add me first. Add me. Add me.
Because they're perfect.
Where's your nickname? Where's your nickname? Why is Curl 46K?
Why
You add me. Oh, you add me. Wait a second. You're
So
not
weird.
Who wants to give stuff the tiny mutation?
wait a second. You're not add me. Where's your nickname?
That's willing to go to what's it called?
I can just.
Where's your
to
nickname?
Office.
Okay, well, I'm gonna
Just
storage.
go with me.
Wait a second.
I
You
can
add
just
me?
do that.
Not add me.
Come on.
Your nickname is
on.
Ari.
Watch this.
Or I'm just gonna go by my.
Jumping ceiling.
Come on, y'all. Does anybody have large backpacks? Please, someone.
The big mega nuke.
Is that good one?
My nickname is Kirill 46K.
Nature.
Just watch this.
Take a top from
I'm in Goop Cave if anyone wants to come.
Mega
boob.
Like,
Give me that fucking skin.
Mega Knight.
Oh, shit.
No,
No. My labubu.
Jovi, when you're playing your tablet.
Hey, yellow.
No, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this.
No, please, please. It was fine.
No, bro, give it to him, bro. Give it to him.
Sure, why not?
Give me.
Bro,
Hey, give it
Yeah.
to him, bro.
Please.
give it to him.
Give it.
Right.
Bro,
Give it to
everybody report this guy.
No, don't report him. Chill.
I'm reporting
giving-
it to
he's
the
my friend.
Discord.
The Discord.
No, chill. He's my friend.
No!
He's my
I'm
friend. Look, he's
reporting
my
this to
No,
the
no,
Discord.
no,
My bad. I was just playing.
I'm reporting. Yeah, playing. Now I'm reporting a little bit.
What is his username?
I was just
I take
playing.
a picture of his user.
Little bro was playing.
Where?
I was
Does
just
anybody want to trade?
messing with ya.
Looks like hello. David.
Everybody report this Mr. Krabs in yellow. He's
Yeah,
trying
report
to
him.
steal my stuff.
Hey,
There we go.
yellow.
I'm gonna leave this lobby in 2 seconds.
Yo, that's a fast reporting.
Okay,
Jeez, I
5
just
minutes.
joined this game.
Someone go to office with.
Bro, I just joined this game and you're reporting me?
Yeah.
Can someone go
And
to
I
office?
just joined this game in 688 years.
Killing me. You're killing me. Slowly and painfully. You're killing me.
Someone who has a mic, please. I'll tag them in a.
Yo, tell me the code so that I can hide.
If you want to be in a movie, you gotta go to
Don't
office.
Don't get that arrow off me.
Why do you want to go to office?
think I even have you added.
So I can give stuff
You add
to
me?
tiny
You add me?
Mutation.
Where's your
what?
nickname? Where's your nickname?
to this
Nickname.
box.
Huh?
Hello, David McLean?
I don't have you. Hold on.
Where's your nickname, bro?
To the what?
Hey, I'm John. Where is it? You said there's a trade. Короче, ребят, сейчас будем его поймать, если он скамер. То я вам покажу, и надо его всем ребят репортить. Как говорится за меня. For grenade. Okay. No, I don't. I already have this. Can you get a grenade or something? I don't need this. I don't need this. Ну, мне не надо, потому что у меня уже таких две или вроде одна есть, потому что... Ну, у меня очень редкие вещи, если честно. Giant Galaxy. I need only Giant Galaxy. For doing this. Wait. Freaking hug bomb. No, nobody in the server. Почти потерял. Yeah, okay.
Nah, that's a scam, bro.
Why?
This is so much more better than a Labubu. No, hold on.
I can give you 10 Labubus for this. I can give you demon sword for this.
Bro, I already have like 10 demon swords, bro.
Oh, I have a giant of them. Okay. Oh, okay.
which
Give
one?
something for Labubu.
Here's
Oh, okay,
something
okay,
that I
okay,
have
okay,
multiple of.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Hey. W trade. Thanks.
Here, hold on, don't leave.
Okay. Thanks. I don't want to scam because.
Here, I'm just gonna give you these because I have like so many of them.
Oh, thanks.
Here, you can have some more.
Oh, bro. Thanks so much. Короче, ребята, он мне дал подарочки. Wait, what is this?
What?
Oh, this is I'm the video. And thank you for not scamming me. Okay.
I like to climb walls, you feel me? Oh my gosh. Low-key kind of creepy.
Wait a second, I can put popcorn in my hip slot. You know, you can put the popcorn in the hip slot. This is funny. Thank you for W trade. Bro, who are you? Who is this?
You want me to leave?
Oh,
to
I
leave?
do have you added.
Wait a
Alright.
minute. Wait, let me leave.
Alright, hold on.
Okay, I'm unfriending you because I'm unfriending people who I trade because
Wait, where?
I don't need so many friends because I already have so many friends in my friends.
Huh?
Sorry, I need unfriend you because I already
hold
have
on,
so
I'm
many
finna join
people.
you.
Так, сейчас надо его отфреднуть. Это еще проблемы нести будет какие-то. Backwards. Давайте вот этого еще удалим. Вот тут много ненужных друзей. Ну, их потом буду. А то у них там ники, блин, какие-то вдруг еще плохие будут, увидите. Сейчас заблокируют YouTube, блин.
Purple!
Hold on, come here.
White,
Come here.
white. Come here, come here.
Blue. Hell
I know the new update.
Что происходит?
Come on, give me two
We're
hearts.
trying to talk. Anyways, bro, do you have an ogre fist? A ogre fist with small hands?
Excuse me, white?
You're the one that makes it really rare. You
Why
can
are you-
Can you give me one? Can you give me one? You. I'll give you something right here. Stop. I'll give you something right here. Come.
D13.
I'll give you something
D13.
very rare. I promise. I'll show you.
Who wants to trade?
Blue with the arena gun. Blue with the arena gun.
See?
Who's got the blue with the arena gun?
Who's got the heart gun? I need 2 heart guns. Or actually 4. I need 4 heart
Anybody?
guns.
Who wants this? Who wants this?
I wanna.
Alright, now listen. Do you have an ogre fist with small hands? With small fans.
Come, I want to show you
Does
something.
someone have any?
Small hands. Ogre fist with small fans. That
Do
makes
you
you
have
fly.
some goo?
I did hit join.
Can I borrow some?
Just W and then join.
They're just buying.
Oh my god, are you Jesus?
But I don't have
Are
enough
you
money. I
Jesus?
just got
What
it.
is
You have
this?
to
What
cross
is
out
this?
your Bible,
Why
you
are
Jesus.
you being ogre pissed? What is this? Can you say what it is?
Yo, God! I help you, God.
Oh god, I just
Come here. Come here, my son. Come here, my son. Come here, my son. Follow me, son. Come here, son.
God.
No, come here. I'm looking for something special.
Ace, just...
Small
Go.
Bad guy dead.
Yeah! В таком месте меня еще телепортировало. Ладно, ребят. С вами был я, Кирилл. Всем пока-пока.